Today we're gonna be unboxing the March FabFitFun Beauty Edit Box. You get to choose 4 full-size products for $30 with free shipping. I didn't remember how to actually get the product or like choose your customization, so I got a little late into the game. So the thing I actually wanted for the hair care, the Olaplex, I think number 6 was sold out. So I got the Olaplex Volumizing Blow Dry Mist. It's a protective volumizer that shields from heat and humidity. I don't really use a blow dryer or heat or anything, but I'll use it. I guess I had to choose something. I'll just spray it. So good. Doesn't it smell. Smells pretty good. No, it has like a... It's not the Olaplex smell though that you're used to. You know, that kind of, yeah. So it's okay. Another one she got was the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner. This is that really nice smelling toner. Whoops. Boy, that is sealed. It smells really nice. It's got that, you know, like that pinky color. You have to shake it up. And we had this watermelon and niacinamides, or no? It's niacinamides, watermelon. It's supposed to help glow. BHA, PHA. We had it in Allure, the Allure box. Okay. And I really like this stuff. I haven't even tried it. Nope, I haven't even tried it because I don't really need. Our pores are pretty small, but I need hydration. I don't need pore refining or tightening. So it's a good product too. And then at the 2 Haus Labs products, the Clear Cut Cat Eyeliner and then the Lengthening Volumizing Mascara. I was gonna say, this is I've never seen a mascara to like package so slim and slender. No wonder you were confused. Okay, so this is the liner. Okay, so this is very nice. Here's the Haus Labs. Okay, so I think you have to shake it probably too. Oh, okay, this is a different type of wand. That's why I picked it out. It seemed nice. Oh my goodness. I feel like I should just... Can I try it on right now? Charcoal pigment and herbal flower complex. And then let's see. This dried already and it's not moving. So it's pretty bud. That's really fast. Yeah. That's good. I mean, I don't normally like felt tip liners personally. Well, I'm not gonna It's made in Italy too. No, it's a nice mascara. Yeah, that's why I picked it. But okay, very good. Happy about the product. So we're gonna have to delete like half of that because I'm like, oh, they missed my product. So we got the 2. Okay, but FabFitFun, the Beauty Edit Box, you get to choose 4 full-size products. And I did the math for like the last few boxes. It's always around $130, $150 worth of value, and you only spend $30. Right.